Hi friends, I'm Jason Donginis and welcome to my channel. Today is something special because this is my very first sneaker video and I am very excited that this video has two parts. Part 1 is the washing and prepping of the shoe. So we are going to restore a shoe, Air Force 1. And part 2 will be restoring and repainting. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, over here we have our shoes and I will show you each side. Alright, it's very old and yellow and we're gonna work on this. Okay, so let's get started. So first, we're gonna unlace the shoes. And set this aside. And let's put in the shoe tree so we can work on it very easily. There you go, ready. Let's get our soft brush and our shoe cleaner. And look at this. This is very old. Some scratches, some dents. And let's start. Just dip in the brush, soft bristled brush, and brush it in a circular motion so you can get all the dirt and the grimes of the shoes. And make sure you cover all sides. Okay, let's move on to the medium bristle brush to take away the further dirt that is not removed by the soft bristle brush. The midsoles and later on the outsoles. So we're gonna remove the insoles and brush the sock line of the shoes and the insides. And you know, this has a lot of dirt and germs, so we're gonna make sure that we sanitize it and brush it all throughout. Just get your, now for the insoles, make sure you brush them completely. Look how dirty it is. And then go prep your laces, just submerge it into the water and then off to the washing machine. So just mild wash in the washing machine and we're ready to go. Let's go. Okay, it's another day and we are done washing this in the washing machine. So the next step is to remove the yellowing of the soles. So what we need is a sole whitening cream and a cling wrap, and of course the sunlight. So let's go. Put your cream, the leather. It may damage the leather. And also go through the strings. Okay, so this half part. So we'll carefully and evenly apply our midsole whitener, and just cover it with a film wrap. So it won't dry up when we put it on under the sun. Okay, let's go. Let's put this under the sun. Okay, look at the difference of this. It's so white compared to the earlier ones. And now we're gonna remove the creasing by using steam and iron. So you can manage it fairly to remove the creasing. Okay. There you go. Now, so to do this, just put a wet cloth here, and if you have a iron with a steam, that will work pretty good. Set it to okay, so be careful. Alright, so just gently, so the steam will help you to get rid of that, to help you get rid of that creasing. Just confidently and gently go through the crease. It won't take away, but it will make a very huge difference on the shoe. So just keep on steaming and doing and get your desirable result. This one is done. Let's go to the next pair. Next shoe. looks nice, looking good. And now we are going to prep this for painting. So, yep. So we are going to fill in those scratches and ready to paint. Okay, that is the first part of our video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Click this video to watch the second part. Okay, see you.